Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, in my case, it starts with the grandkids complaining there's something on top of the water, and the skimmer doesn't seem to be doing its job. Well, inevitably, I wind up having to change the filter, and that's because over the winter, when the pool is turned off, because I live in a warm climate, I still get an algae buildup. So when spring comes and I clean the pool and scrub it and put the robot on, next thing I know, the filter is plugged up, and no matter what I do, I can't get it clean. I'll take it out, show it to you, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. During the summer, when the pool gets used the most, I usually clean the filter about once a month. And by the way, this pressure wand right here is the best tool I found for cleaning pool filters. It comes with a nozzle that sprays a wide fan pattern, which makes cleaning a pool filter quick and easy. And as I mentioned earlier, over the winter, my pool tends to build up algae. When it comes time to get the pool ready for swimming, my automatic pool cleaner scrapes up all that algae and sends it straight to the filter. The problem is, algae breaks down into superfine particles, and when that happens, the main filter can get overwhelmed and clog up real fast. The algae embeds itself deep into the filter material, almost at a microscopic level, like you see on your screen. And at that point, no matter how hard I try to clean the filter, it has to be replaced. Now, if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.